Introduction to JavaScript Array Manipulation. JavaScript has powerful features for array manipulation. An array can store multiple values in one variable. The slice method is commonly used for its flexibility and effectiveness. Understanding the slice method returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array into a new array object without modifying the original array. The method accepts two parameters, the start index inclusive and the end index exclusive. If no end index is provided, the slice runs till the end of the array. The original array remains unchanged as the slice method does not mutate it. Working with negative indexes, the slice method accepts negative indexes. A negative index is treated as array.length plus index. For example, an index of -1 indicates the last element of the array, -2 the second last, and so on. Tips and common mistakes. Remember the slice parameters. The start index is inclusive and the end index is exclusive. Understand that the slice method does not change the original array, but returns a new one. Do not confuse slice with splice. While both methods deal with arrays, they behave differently. Conclusion: manipulating arrays effectively is a fundamental skill in JavaScript programming. The slice method is a powerful tool to extract portions of an array without modifying the original array. Avoid common mistakes and misconceptions associated with the slice method to handle arrays with greater ease and precision.